Hi guys, so for today's video, my name is Isabel, so alam niyo naman ako, may subscriber pa nga ako eh. So ano tayo ng song na Little Mix, from basta Little Mix yung You're the Man. So alam niyo naman yan, so kantahin na natin. You're the man. I kita do you mean right? And I got the struggle you should know. I'm the one that's in your trouble. I got somebody you can win to, then yun nga.